Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome in Hijazi News Update. I am Badr Hijazi. It is with profound sorrow that we mourn the passing of Barrister Sultan Mehmood Chaudhry, former Prime Minister and President of Azad, Jammu and Kashmir, who passed away 31st January 2026 in Islamabad at the age of 71. Barrister Sultan Mehmood Chaudhry was born on 9 August 1955 in Mirpur, Azad, Kashmir. He completed his graduation from Gordon College, Rawalpindi, and earned his Bar at Law degree from Lincoln's Inn, England. He was elected Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir in 1996 and later served as President of Azad Kashmir in 2025. Barrister Sultan Mehmood Chaudhry was a politician of rare and unique qualities. One of his more distinctive qualities was his strong commitment to international engagement. He frequently visited Washington, London, Brussels, and Oslo, often more than once. He was perhaps the only leader from Azad Kashmir who consistently ensured that his appointment with the United States Department of State and United Nations Office of the Under Secretary General for Political Affairs were formally confirmed even before departing from Islamabad. These advance arrangements invariably proved beneficial for advancing the Kashmir cause. Barrister Sultan Mehmood was also the only political leader from Azad Kashmir who visited India-occupied Kashmir and met with the entire Hurriyat leadership, including Sayyid Ali Gilani, Mahmood Yasin Malik, Shabir Ahmad Shah, and Mirwais Umar Farooq. He also held a detailed meeting with Umar Abdullah, then Chief Minister of India-occupied Kashmir. In 2016, he initiated the idea of organizing million-man marches for Kashmir in major capitals of the world. The first such march was held in London in October 2017. He visited the United States and conducted extensive corner meetings in New York, Chicago, Austin, Jersey City, Boston, and Washington, D.C. While in Washington, he explained that whenever he planned a Kashmir conference in cities such as London, Brussels, he always held small preparatory meetings to mobilize the community. He followed the same strategy in the United States. These efforts bore remarkable results. More than 30,000 people participated in New York March held on 25 October 2015. Barrister Sultan firmly believed that Kashmir was not a bilateral issue between New Delhi and Islamabad, but an international recognized dispute. He consistently argued that any dialogue process must include all three parties, India, Pakistan, and the people of Kashmir. When asked by a member of US Congress who would represent the Kashmiri people, he responded without hesitation that he had full faith in the leadership of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. He repeatedly emphasized that lasting peace in South Asia would not be possible without resolving the Kashmir dispute in accordance with United Nations resolutions and the wishes of the Kashmiri people. He also believed that a strong Pakistan was essential for effectively defending the rights of Kashmiris.